We have 15 divided by 5 over 3 times 3. Now, 15 divided by 5 over 3 times 3. Remember that this 3 can cancel this 3. We have 1 here. So we have left with what? 15 divided by what? 5. So 15 divided by 5 will give us what? 3. But this answer is wrong. The reason why this answer is wrong is because we have order to solve this, and the order is called order of operation. Now, if we follow our board mass order of operation, board mass, and we have the KCF rule, sorry, we have the KCF rule. And this, our board mass order of operation is from left to right. So we are solving this from left to right. This B stands for bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So we are solving from left to right. Our KCF rule, this K stands for keep, change, and flip. Now, so if we are solving this answer correctly, it will be like this. 15 divided by 5 over 3 times 3. So we are going to rewrite this question as, so we are doing this first, this division first, because of this rule here. Division comes from multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So now we'll keep 15. If we keep 15, we'll change this to what? Times. Then we'll flip this as 3 over 5 instead of 5 over 3. Then we'll bring this our times down, which is this 3. Then now, this 5, we cancel this 15. 5 will go into 15 how many times? 3 times. Then times, we have this 3 here. Times, we have this 3 here. Put it here. Now, 3 times 3 will give us what? 9. And 9 times this 3 we have here will give us what? 27. So our final answer is 27.